Our objective is to hack other players' app to extract the secret or flag while protecting our app. I'm running the app to understand what it does. It looks to be a web API. It has an endpoint /log. It receives two fields, a file name and a directory name, and it returns the content of a given file name. I can verify this by navigating through the directory structure of this app. Now the question is, am I able to read any other file or an arbitrary file? Let me try to go one directory back and point to a different file. And the app has the weakness, and it allows me to read any arbitrary file. Let's now go and fix this. Well, I'm trying one fix here. Maybe let's try to remove // from both file name and the directory name. So log.name is the file name, and log.subdir is the directory name. I will run the app again and try the same payload as before to see if this time the app will return the content of this file. It didn't. Okay, now let's push the app to enter the battle page. Once I push the app, it will go through a number of tests. The system will generate a secret random and add it to the app, and then I can enter the battle page. My app is now deployed. I can go and pick from any of these players. For example, let's pick this one. I can grab the URL for their app or even view the source code of their patch. Let's try the same technique as before, pointing to a flag file and going one directory up. And I managed to read the secret. I will submit this secret or flag to the battle page. This will give me the score for hacking, and the player will be removed from the game.